Well, hello everyone. My name is Angie Herenik. I am the Queen of Cuisine. I know it's been a long time since you've seen me last, and a lot of things have happened in the past 2 months. We've moved, first and foremost. You can tell the background is completely different than my previous background. Mike and I, we've moved to Georgia. Yay! So excited, so happy to be here. And so basically we're on the renovations, and this is just my basic kitchen right now, just to get organized until we figure out what we want to do, because we've moved here the 23rd of October we closed, which was just after Hurricane Michael, also right after my hysterectomy surgery, and having to drive from South Florida all the way up here. So now here we are, and today what I want to make for you guys is basically a Guanabana juice. Guanabana is also called Sour Sop, and this is what it looks like. Now when you initially get it, it may not appear as ripe as it is here, but that's okay. Let it sit on your counter until it does get this ripe, because this is the ripeness that you're looking for. So let me cut right into it and show you. There we are. That's the flesh. That's what it looks like. Now as I clean this, I'm just going to remove the seeds as I come across them. Just remove them. I plan on planting them, and of course the rest of this will end up in compost. And what I'm basically looking for is that I just squeeze, looking for seeds like that. And then when I do, it's a disgusting description on how to remove it, but the best description that I could be able to tell you. Looking at how I'm holding it between my thumb and my forefinger, and you just basically cup your hand right in front like that, squeeze like a pimple, and then you take the flesh, and, put the seed in the wrong side. Take the flesh, put it in a bowl, take the seed, different bowl, take the trash, different bowl. Now let's taste. You know what? I've never tasted this raw on its own before pureeing it. Let's do it now. That is delicious. I always loved the juice, but I never eaten the flesh on its own like that. Wow, I gotta come up with a recipe for this. Very citrusy. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to remember the texture that it's reminding me of. Almost like, not a kumquat. It'll come to me. Anyway, it's delicious. Wow. I could probably make a really great sauce out of this. If I can make a good juice out of it, might make a great sauce with the coconut milk and the lemon juice. I think I might be onto something. So anyway, I'm just going to keep cleaning this. I'll come back when this is completed. Okay, as I continue on, I've cleaned one Guanabana Sour Sop. So I have 2 more to go. So I thought in the meantime, let me just go ahead and make the juice from this first one, and then I can continue on cleaning the others, because then I can freeze the rest. Okay, so here is the pulp, all that pulp from earlier, first fruit. It's almost got like a grape kind of flesh to it. It's so delicious, so good, and so good for you. As I mentioned earlier, Guanabana in English is basically sour sop, and it's a very popular dish in the Caribbean, the Amazon, South America, really, in a lot of different places. And now in South Florida. So I add the Guanabana here. You know, Guanabana Sour Sop is also known for fighting cancer. So of course I would consume this along with ensuring that I undergo all my treatments, you know, all of it. Chemotherapy, radiation, all of it. You got to do it all. You got to do whatever you need to do. It's up to you what you decide to do, but I'm just sharing with you what I chose to do. And I'm trying to eat like a happy person. I don't overeat, that's for sure. My appetite has not increased, but I am eating healthy. But Mike and I normally do, for the most part. We don't normally consume a lot of carbs, and not unless I make desserts. That's when you might see us consuming some of these yummy treats that I prepare. So anyway, I have some nutmeg that I'm kind of like grating up here, and it's got to be approximately a quarter teaspoon. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I really want to go for half a teaspoon at least, and it's so fragrant. Oh, nutmeg is also very good for you. Okay, so I have the coconut milk in here. I want to also get some lemon zest in there. This is going to be so yummy, good, healthy. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming back. I'm getting stronger with every day through the grace of God. I got to tell you, it's through the grace of God that I'm even still standing here right now. I hope you can be able to say the same thing. Can I get an amen to that? So we have the zest of 1 lemon in there. Now I need to juice this. So my knife here, my little lemon juicer. Get that in there. And you want to juice 1 lemon. You want the juice. You want the juice of a lemon. I'm sure there's a lot of different ways of saying it, but I chose not to. Also, the other thing about getting treatment, chemo, one of the side effects for the rest of your life basically is memory loss, short-term memory loss. So I'm combating that as well, ladies and gentlemen, but it could be also because of getting older, right? I'm going to tell you I'm in denial about that part. So now I got the zest of 1 lemon in there, and I have 2 liters, basically 2 quarts of water in this container here, and I just want to pour some, just to bring it up to the line a bit. Make a mess as I do. Why does it do that? It has a spout on it. Why would it spill all over the place if it has a spout? That doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, here we go. My lid is on. I'm going to put it on my blender. Just here. Turn it on. Puree. As that's going, I'm going to go ahead and clean up. Okay, now I just want to pour. Oh, look, I'm missing something. Get this cleaned out properly. There we go. Okay. So now I need to pour half of this into here. Leave the other half behind. I want to incorporate some honey. All right, so here is approximately 3 tablespoons of honey. Which will make it about a 1/4 cup. Okay, now I want to, more water. Okay, put my lid back on. Okay, put it back on the blender. Okay, that's all blended up. Let's take and mix it all together. All of it goes together. See that? Nice and clean, basically. Okay, now I pour the rest of the water in. Look at that. There we go. We have a full picture of Sour Sop, Guanabana juice. All right, anyway, so here we go. Tasting. I stirred it up, mixed it up, everything. I know what I did forget. I tasted. And that is, guess what? Vanilla extract. So I need to put in you know what? Instead of vanilla, which what I would normally put in there, let's try, do I have coconut? Peppermint, orange, coconut. Here we go. Let's try coconut this time, y'all. And I'm gonna do a teaspoon of this. Whoop. A little more than a teaspoon. There we go. Came out faster than I thought it would. Jeez. That's cooking. All right, let's get this stirred up in there real good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna drink this first because I can't pour that back in there, so. Now I want to taste this. Y'all, that coconut took it to a whole different level. Whole different level. Wow. Sour sop, prickly outside, it's kind of scary looking, and then when it gets super ripe, it looks like you just want to throw it away, but that's when it's at its best. That's when it's at its best. So give it a try, let me know how you like it, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'm back. Hey.